Hey there, if you're watching this, then I'm actually going to show you in the next 5 to 10 minutes how you can get new customers for your local business, okay? And the example that I'm going to give is a roofing contractor. Now, this is going to be beneficial if you actually run a roofing business or a roofing contractor company, or you're looking to get clients on board, and you can show them just how easy and simple it is to implement this into their business, okay? Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is actually go on to Yellow Pages. Now, maybe growing up like 10, 15 years ago, this was pretty familiar in households. I myself remember this coming like through the doors, or at least being in the porch or passage. And this is where we went to actually find the majority of like the services or businesses that we needed, okay? I remember scrolling through, it taking ages to kind of find. And, you know, perhaps you remember that too. Now, the first thing is that a lot of businesses actually still use this, the Yale.com or Yale directory. And the truth of the matter is that it's just not as effective to market your products and services as it once was, okay? So, you know, people want access instantly, okay? They want to find your solution, your business, right off the bat. They don't want to scroll through papers. They don't want to scroll through endless amounts of pages, even on the internet, okay? So the first thing that we're going to do is actually search roofing services on here. And I'm going to just keep it broad to the UK, okay? And if you scroll down here, you can actually see a large number of businesses that are listed on Yellow Pages. There's still, you know, 10 pages plus, okay? See if there's any more. Okay, so 10 is about the right amount. So what we're going to do actually is click on a website. Now, when we come onto here, so Wilson Roofing Contractors, okay, it's actually a pretty good website. You know, they have contact information. There's no call now kind of button. But the images and the content is actually really, really good. They have the numbers and the email here alongside, you know, gallery and some of the services that they run. So this is a really, really good example. There's a couple of things that they are not doing, however. So if we click on where are they based? So they're based in Hartlepool, okay? So Hartlepool Roofing Contractors. Okay, so the first search website or search term that I've put in is Hartlepool Roofing Contractors. And as we can see, they're actually, apologies for that. Yeah, as we can see, they're actually not listed near the top, okay? So if you're in Hartlepool and you're searching for roofing contractors, then Wilson Roofing Contractors is actually not going to be the first to come up. So although they're listed in Yale, it's not really going to help them. So what this business could do, quite simply, is to build up its Google keywords and PPC for that, and enable themselves to become the top listing here. So what you can do, or if you are a business, is start to invest in this, in your content, in your PPC. Now, this is a service that you can actually provide, and this is going to help this local business get more customers, okay? So if you're able to present that to them, then that's going to be beneficial to them and beneficial to you, okay? You're going to help them begin to dominate their local area and really become the main go-to for that type of service. I'm going to click on another one here. Again, this is taking a bit of time to load the site. However, if we come down, again, it's a pretty good website, okay? Has their services, could be improved, could be optimized in a number of different ways. But on the whole, let's have a look where these are located. So Preston, okay. So Preston, roofing contractor. Ooh. Okay, let's see what comes up again. Again, they are nowhere to be seen on the top listing, and they are nowhere near competing down here either. So yeah, this is kind of how you can help them out. And if you are a roofing contractor, investing, in SEO and PPC is really beneficial to you, okay? Kind of older methods of leaflets and billboard advertising and Yell, they're just not as needed in today's market. You want to be the first person or people or business to show up when people are searching for that, and that's something that we're able to help you with. I'm able to help you with. So yeah, another thing, well, let's find one more company just to have a look. So Roof Right. Okay, now this is actually a company based in Norfolk or Suffolk, and to be honest, the website, I think we could both agree, needs a lot of work. You want to have a website that just looks smooth and clean. This is really going to help you. So a company like that, I would actually just reach out to, ask if they're interested in either improving or developing their website, because that really isn't going to attract customers to them. So hope that has provided you some value, and you begin to implement this into your own marketing efforts. I hope this has made sense to you as a business or business owner, and also as somebody that's trying to attract businesses to your services, okay, whether that's SEO, website building, content creation, Facebook marketing. You can really go out there and make a difference to a number of businesses, okay? Every business needs sales and marketing, and you can step in and help them to expand that, okay? So that's all for this video. Please check out some of my other ones. If you have come across this video because you're interested in learning more, then please be sure to follow me. And if you've come across this as a business, then I'd love to have a chat and see if we can help your business get new customers by using digital marketing, okay? So until next time, have a great day and peace out.